So this is what happens when a truck going 50 miles an hour hits a 10-point buck. It totals your truck. So it may not look all that bad, but it destroyed it. It bent the core support over here and pushed everything into the motor. When it did that, it messed up something in the motor. And I managed to get home. I managed to get up here to the property to unload the rock hammer. I started it. I unloaded the rock hammer up there, right where the tractor is actually. Got the rock hammer out of the truck with the tractor. I started the truck to go home, and boom, it spit parts all over the ground. It did something. I don't know how I got home with it, but I did. But it is dead. It's just not worth it to put parts into it and to fix it. I paid $2,800 for that thing. Way back when, I think in 2013 or 2014, and I've put $3,000 or $4,000 in it. So the plan is to get my injectors, get my fuel pump, get the relay, probably pull the computer out, definitely get the supercharger off of it, probably pull the heads off, and, well, I don't know, I may not even go that far, because I just put the heads on it, but try to sell the supercharger as a kit. It's so heartbreaking because I really did not want to spend money on another truck. I wanted to spend the money on the house, but it's toast, and, it's gone. It's been a great truck for the 12 or 13 years, I guess 11 years, 12 years that I've had it. But it's toast. It's officially dead. So this is the truck. It's a 2012 Chevy Silverado HD with the gas motor, because I don't plan on hauling something that weighs more than 15,000 pounds. This should do just nicely on the house project. Still four-wheel drive. Definitely an upgrade from the Dakota. It's got remote start. It's got backup camera in it. It's got the 8-foot bed. I think this is going to be very nice truck for the next few years. Sad to see the Dakota go, but I'm very happy to get an upgrade.